Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Striplin here to go over the reading lesson for today. Before we get started, you're going to need your story that we've been reading this week called A Prickly Adventure. So go ahead and get that handy. And you're going to need page 22 from your packet to go along with the story. So go ahead and gather those two things. And I will go over some of the key vocabulary that you are seeing on this page I have pulled up and to explain why I have done what I have done here with the highlighting. So get those things handy and let's begin. So again, you're going to be using page 22. Today you're only going to answer question number 5. Well, we know that our standard for the week has been to use an informational text. Informational means it gives true information, or the text gives true information, and we're answering or looking for key details from the story. So if you will look at the green that I have highlighted here, I have highlighted the words key details. And I have made sure that those are highlighted in green because those are important words. That's what you're looking for in the text. Key details only means what is important. What are the most important things in the text? But we're going to narrow down to be specific to one question. So if you will notice, I have also highlighted in yellow some important words. The word how. We answered a how question yesterday. And ironically, it is the same question that they want you to answer today, the one that I answered. So, and I promise I did not look ahead. So that was just coincidence. But anyway, so I've highlighted how because we want to make sure we answer the question correctly. That word is very important. Answering a what question and a where question or a why question, if you will answer the question totally different. So we want to make sure we're answering the question that the author is giving you to answer. So that's why I've highlighted the word how, because we're looking for how something does something. And here it's how does a porcupine protect itself? Okay, so we're looking for key details or important details. Details are just facts from the text that answer that question. I also wanted you to notice the word list. I highlighted that in yellow. When you are making a list, boys and girls, most likely you're just writing your thoughts and phrases. You don't have to write complete sentences when you are making a list. So it says list. So remember, it's just phrases or words that help you answer the question. Key details, important information from the text. Remember, the text is just the story. It's just what you're reading, the article, that tell more about how porcupines protect themselves. And if you will notice right here, this little dot is, we call them bullets. And when I make a list, I like to use bullet points. And so I'll have my bullet point, and then I will type beside of that one of the things that a porcupine does to protect itself. And once I have that typed out, I will hit enter, or you will just go down and you will just make another little dot. It's just like a little dot, like a little period, but a little bit bigger. And then I will make another one, and then I will list another way that porcupines protect themselves. And so that is how you make a list. And then when you are looking for key details, you're only looking for the information that answers the question. So if it's not answering how a porcupine protects itself, don't write it down because that's not important. It only wants you to list the ways that a baby porcupine protects itself. So, if you have any questions at all, please ask your teacher and they will be happy to help you. Have a great day.